Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Happy Friday. It's Friday, August 14th. Hey, we got a bunch of economic news releases to go over today, so we're going to jump right into it. And today we'll start off with the Producer Price Index. This is the inflation number on the wholesale side of things. So it's not a huge impact, primarily because it's not always affecting consumers. So sometimes even though cost of goods or costs go up for the wholesalers, it doesn't always get passed on to the consumers. So, but it is something to keep an eye on. So back in June, we had a 0.4% jump in the producer price index. And the forecast for July was at 0.1, and we did exceed it a little bit more at 0.2, but it did come down a little bit from June. Something to keep our eyes on to see if we do get that inflation popping up a little bit. Industrial production for July looking good here. We had a 0.1% back in June. Forecast is at 0.4. We exceeded that at 0.6%. So industrial production picked up in July, which is great. And then we also had the capacity utilization. It came in a little shy of the expectations, but higher than what it was in June. We had 77.7% in June, and forecast was 78.1. Came in pretty much near at 78.0. And last but not least, we got consumer sentiment. It did dip slightly, but not as much as we forecast was at from 93 the last reading to 92.9. So it had a slight dip, but still kind of within the range, so not a huge one. So overall, kind of looking fairly strong here with the capacity utilization, industrial production going up. Producer price index we still have to kind of keep our eyes on, but overall looking fairly strong right there. Stock market's a little mixed today. We're still kind of, this week has been kind of, they're trying to get the direction after this whole fiasco with China and the yuan. Also, we had the third bailout, which didn't get much news, primarily because of China's yuan manipulation. So the concerns there is basically for them, in order for them to do such a thing, they're now wondering, of course, how bad is China's economy, and since they're basically the largest exporter out there, a lot of people are concerned as to, what, if how much of that effect that's going to have on the global economy here. So we'll have to kind of wait and see here a little bit, and of course that could be ramifications for other countries like Russia, India, Brazil, people like that are also emerging economies that maybe they may do the same thing, change their currencies to lower to be able to export more as well. Bond market, we're kind of taking a bit hit the last couple of days. As you see those little boxes in the red. Red means we're kind of declining. We did decline yesterday. We are down from where we left off yesterday. We're down about 3 basis points. As you can see, we're even down further with that little tail touching the 25-day moving average. Has pulled back down. So currently we're about 3 basis points from where we left off yesterday. And so that's not really a change change in difference by the time we finished yesterday, but people did have price changes yesterday. Depends when they did those price changes, by how much it will be kind of how price will be coming out today. It could be a little mixed today, but for the most part, it will be from where they left off yesterday, it'll be unchanged. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful weekend coming up. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying the rest of your summer as kids are starting to go back to school and over the next couple of weeks. Some have already started. And enjoy the rest of your summer here over the next few weeks. I also expect some volatility this month because of that. So there is going to be some lighter trading, and so that could create a little bit more volatility in the market. So be cautious of that this month as well. All right, enjoy your weekend. Have a wonderful time, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.